In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a page in Canva. Locking a page is a really handy way to prevent accidental changes, especially if you're working on an important design or collaborating with others. Once a page is locked, you can't move, edit, or delete its contents until you unlock it again. This keeps your layout safe while you experiment with other parts of the design. First, open your Canva project just like you normally would. Make sure you're on the specific page you want to protect. Take a moment to confirm that everything on that page looks exactly the way you want it to. Locking is best done once you're happy with the layout, the text, and the images because you won't be able to adjust them while it's locked. Now look toward the top of your Canva interface, near the page area. You'll see a small lock icon above the page. This is the control you'll use. Move your cursor to that lock icon and click on it. When you click the lock icon, Canva will lock that page in place. You should notice a slight change indicating that the page is now locked. From this point on, you won't be able to accidentally drag items around, change text, or move elements on that specific page. This simple click helps you avoid frustrating mistakes, like nudging a photo out of alignment or deleting a section of text without realizing it. It's especially useful if your design has a lot of layers, or if you've spent time carefully aligning everything and want to keep it exactly as it is. If you ever need to make changes again, just return to that same lock icon above the page. Click it once more to unlock the page. After unlocking, you can freely edit your content as usual, and when you're done, you can lock it again with another click. Using the lock icon above the page is a small step, but it can make your Canva workflow much smoother and more reliable. So remember, set up your design, click the lock icon above the page to protect it, and unlock it only when you're ready to make intentional changes.